everyone, welcome to day 9 of our Power BI course. In today's class, we are going to learn about DAX. DAX is one of the most important concept in Power BI because it helps us to perform calculations, create formula and analysis data more effectively. Do you understand what is DAX? DAX is one of the most important concept in Power BI because it helps us to perform calculations, create formulas and analyze data more effectively. So what is DAX? DAX stands for data analysis expression. It is a formula language used in Power BI. Just like Excel has formulas, right, such as sum and if. Power BI also used formulas called DAX. Shorted for DAX equal to what we can write data analysis expressions. So why DAX is important? Using DAX, we can totals, calculate totals, and create new columns and create measures, find averages, and apply conditions. Build powerful reports and dashboards. Build powerful reports and dashboards. For this purpose, we use DAX. Okay. Using DAX, we can calculate totals, create new columns, create measures, find averages, apply conditions, and build powerful reports and dashboards. By using DAX, we can create all these things. Now I will explain calculated columns. What is calculated columns? A calculated column creates values row by row. For example, see profits equal to sales. This is a calculated column, guys, not DAX. Okay, sales of sales amount minus sales of cost. Here we are subtracting cost from sales amount to get profit. Now I will explain measures. What are measures? Measures are dynamic calculations, then calculate results based on filters and visuals. Now I will create a measures, guys. Total sales. This is a measure, not calculated column. Total sales equal to sum. I will tell you the difference also. Wait, please. Sum of, not this bracket. Sales, no this bracket. Sales amount. This formula calculates total sales from the sales amount column. For example, see, these DAX formulas will be confused, will you confuse days in the starting point only. Once you learn the DAX, the remaining part will be easy. Remember, okay, now total sales equal to sigma. I already copied this symbol, so I just pasted here. Sigma of sales amount. Now difference between the column and measure. I will explain now. Now see guys. Now calculated column versus measure, right? Calculated column. Now measure. What is the difference between calculated column and measures? In calculated column, it will calculate row by row, right? Row by row calculation. But for measure, by naming calculation. By naming calculation. Actually, both will look like similar only, but a small difference only. We have it is stored in table. It is calculated when needed. Calculated when needed. Another difference is also there. It is used more memory. It uses more memory. It uses less memory. So only three differences are there, guys. Calculated column and measures. Okay. Now I will explain about DAX functions. Basic DAX functions I will explain. Today class is only for DAX functions only. I will explain. So basic DAX functions we can give. We can tell about total sales. That is the basic DAX function is total sales equal to sum of sales sales amount okay, this is the common DAX functions we can use in each report. Now another DAX function we can tell average sales average sales equal to average of sales amount. Sales amount. Now we can give this bracket. Okay, this is the normal DAX functions raise. In every reports we will use these functions total sales and average sales because in each business without these no business will run, right? Just assume the total sales is equal to sum of sales amount, average sales equal to average of sales amount. This bracket is there, right? Below this bracket this is a column, right? Sales amount is a column and sales is a table. Here also in the same way sales is a table and sales amount is column name. What I hope you understand is. Now I will explain count total order equal to count of sales of sales is a table and now we have to write column name order id. Okay, so normally we will use dash functions like this. We can use if condition. By using if condition also we can use dash calculator columns. What now I will explain. By using if function, if condition status. Equal to if if of sales. In that we will write column name sales amount. Okay. Now greater than 100. High. It means that if sales amount is more than 100, then the output will be shown as high. If the sales amount is less than 100, the output will be shown as low. So only the difference is we have. That's why I wrote the DAX function like this. This is the DAX function guys. Don't forget. Suppose a company wants to know total sales, average sales or high performing products, we can easily calculate all these using DAX. So today we learned the basis of DAX in Power BI. In the next class, we will practice more DAX formulas with real examples and dashboards. Thank you, Jess. Thanks for. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys. Thank you.